That was a solid one. That was
a nice hit.
Yeah. Didn't break the knot, he just snapped the line.
Got one.
Oh, yep. So I made an oopsie. I had this up here, wind caught it, knocked it in the water, but I had this door open because that's how I keep the battery charged, so I can leave this on. And now I got some water in it, now it's not working. So hopefully I can let it dry out in the sun, but this one might be a SOL. Well, we dropped anchor and we're gonna try fishing with some goldfish. The trolling wasn't working out so well for us. I saw some other guys that had some success, but maybe we just suck. I'll try what I know.
A few moments later.
You can't do it. You can't stop the line like that because that's what happens. They're too strong.
I'm sorry, I didn't want you to lose your pool.
It's okay. We lost one. Snapped the leader off.
Jimmy, it's just like you're supposed to tell me before you fish. Your pool is going under.
I know. They would bow one.
Sorry.
So that's how they hit. There's no bites. It's just go.
Sorry.
It's okay. Was that exciting?
No.
No? That was a solid one. That was
a nice hit.
Yeah. Didn't break the knot. He just snapped the line.
Got one.
Oh, yep. Broke him off again. Oh.
What do you mean? Oh, you're fucking. Are you serious? Like, all I did was, Zach, all I literally did was I went to pick up the pool. Maybe that needs loose. I don't fucking know, but this is pissing me off. Oh, that's a buzzkill.
Yep. That's two snapped.
That's two. And
they're here.
Shit. Well.
We expect this leader to hold this.
Watch that pool, cause it snapped right at the hook.
And this is.
Oh, that fucking.
This line's okay. There's nothing wrong with it.
It must have been.
It's a little light, but it's. Oh, oh.
There it is. Easy, easy, easy.
I think he's. No.
Well, we gotta get going, babe. Oh, you gotta fix that.
Oh, he's hurting.
You gotta fix him. Okay. I'll do this one. This one just needs to go off.
Alright, super loose. Drag is super loose. So when you set these hooks, you can't do it like normal.
You gotta just grab the base.
You gotta grab the base, tighten the drag a little bit.
For this one to go off.
Okay.
So somebody's gotta take one for the team.
Should I put a heavier leader on? You think it's right?
I think it's fine. I think it was the hook.
Okay.
But hang on, the line's frayed right here. Stop. Let it go. Right there. The line's frayed right. No, you didn't even. You weren't even.
I cut above it.
Okay. No, look. See where it's frayed?
Oh yeah, that's a bad spot.
Fudge.
Fun, huh?
I was like, one of these pools is gonna go off.
That's 3 hits back to back. They're moving schools.
We have to hurry then.
I'm trying. What do you want on here?
I don't
Do you want one of these ones, or do you want another split shot and stuff?
Split shot stuff. Just grab the base of the rod.
Just lost another one. Didn't even get back here to grab the rod. Just bowed down, came off. Yeah. Hey, Marie.
Oh my god!
Oh, he's seen some shit down there. I don't think he grabbed the hook. I think he just grabbed the body, ran, ripped him in half. That one was almost at the bottom too. There's a bunch in the sonar.
Okay. How was that? To you.
How many knots? How many twists you put?
I thought I did 4, but it only looks like 3.
Yeah. Screw it. We'll try it.
Do you have your knife?
It's on your seat.
Okay.
Sit back here.
No! Zachary! How are we losing all these red drums?
I don't know.
Look, he ate that sucker clean off to the last scale.
Little scale.
No, that one's gonna go off. So somebody has to be on. Here, let me bait your hook.
I can bait the hook.
We are terrible fishermen. Like the absolute worst.
I don't want to say it's you or anything, Murray, but
I know.
I mean, I caught a lot on my kayak.
That guy said that he brought his wife out. He caught 5 still, but look at that lively one.
Yeah, he's just swimming. I don't know, you can jet ski. You caught off a jet ski, I assume you're swimming. I hope an alligator comes and gets me. So at this point we started to pack up and head in. The wife and I saw a lot of action out here today, but unfortunately not able to land one. Check out my channel for other videos of landing some really nice fish, and if you're looking for red drum, click on the Texas playlist to see how I got my personal best last week. Please don't forget to drop a like and shoot me a comment if y'all got any questions about anything at all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all next time.